Welcome back, my dear students. We are doing chapter number 7, comparing quantities. It is part 10. Exercise 70, question number 1. Express the following ratios as percentage. To convert a ratio into percentage, keep one thing in mind, that is to first convert the ratio into fraction, and then fraction should be multiplied by 100. So 20 upon 50 into 100, I am getting 40% as your answer. Question 2. What percent is each of the following? C part. 120 marks out of 720. So 120 upon 720 multiply by 100 to get the percentage, cancelling in the zeros. Then I am getting the answer as 50 upon 3%. Converting this into the mixed fraction, it is 16 2 upon 3%. D part. 500 grams of 2 kg. Now I have to find what percent is 500 grams of 2 kg. So what percent means I am putting that x upon 100 multiply, because it is of 2 kg equals to 500 grams. Now 2 kgs is there and the units need to be same, so we will convert 2 kg into grams. So it will be 2 kg will be equal to 2000 grams. To find the value of x equals to 500. Now 100 is divided here, so when it goes through the other side it should be multiplied. So 500 into 100 divided by 2000. Now cancelling the zeros, I am getting the answer as 25%. Question 3. Find a number whose 10% is 20. So find a number. So that means we are taking it as x multiplied by 10% means 10 upon 100 is the sign of equals to 20. Now the equation is x into 10 upon 100 is equals to 20. Now taking the 100 to the other side, it should be multiplied, and this 10 which is multiplied here, when taken to the other side, should be divided. X is equals to 20 into 100 upon 10. Cancelling the zeros, I am getting the answer as 200. Question 4. The population of a town is in 2005 was 18 lakh and in 2006 it became 21 lakh. Find the percentage increase in the population. So the population in 2005 was 18 lakh and population in 2006 is 21 lakh. Now to find the increase in population, we are going to subtract 2006 population by 2005. So that will be 21 lakh minus 18 lakh, that is 3 lakh. Now to find the percentage increase, we have the formula, that is increase upon original value into 100. To find percentage increase in population, we are using, that is the increase, that is 3 lakh upon original value, that was 18 lakh multiplied by 100. After reducing it, we get the final answer as 100 upon 6%. We can again reduce it by table of 2. That becomes 50 upon 3%. And converting the improper fraction into mixed, it becomes 62 upon 3%. Question 7. The price of an exhaust fan is rupees 500. If there is an increase of 15% in the price, find the increased price of the fan. We'll take the original price to be 500. So the percentage increase is equals to increase upon original amount into 100. Now putting the values, percentage increase is 15% is equals to increased value we don't know upon original amount is 500 multiplied by 100. Now cancelling the zeros. Now this 5 is left in the denominator, we take it to the other side, so it should be multiplied. So increase is equals to 15 into 5, that is rupees 75. So the increased price of the fan is going to be 500, which was the original price, plus the increased price, that is 75. So overall the increased price of the fan is 575 rupees. Question 9. Sarovar secured 35 marks out of 40 in mathematics and 25 marks out of 30 in physics. In which subject did he perform better? We can compare this by two methods. The first method is writing them in the form of fraction and then doing cross multiplication. So 35 upon 40 in mathematics and physics, 25 upon 30. Now doing the cross multiplication, 35 into 30, that is equals to 1050, and 40 into 25, that is equals to 1000. So it is clearly known that 1050 is greater, which means marks are better. Next part, that is by the other method, by finding out the percentage. So the percentage in mathematics will be 35 upon 40 into 100, that is equals to 87.5%. Percentage in physics will be equal to 25 upon 30 into 100, that is equals to 83.33%. So it is very easily clear that she performed better in mathematics.